Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you what I got in my February IPSY Glam bag. For some reason this month, along with other subscriptions I am a part of, have come a little late. I actually received this the day before Valentine's Day. I got my BoxyCharm on Valentine's Day. So I'm getting these videos up and together as soon as I can so that I can review the products for the whole month, and then at the end of the month come back and tell you guys what I thought of them. Okay, so let's check this out. First off, this bag is super cute. It reminds me of a nightie. Cute. And I want to show you, this actually was in, let's see. Okay, see they come in the pink little envelope here, and this was just in the envelope, not included in the bag because I'm guessing it was just too big to fit in there. But this is a facial mask. I have used masks from this brand before through IPSY, and I kind of enjoyed it. So looking forward to doing that. Nice and relaxing. Okay, so let's get into this bag. This is so cute. I really like that. Okay, so first thing. Oh, we got a brush. Oh, it's a dual-ended brush. Check that out. Look at that. So a nice packing brush, and then something nice to blend it out with. That's pretty soft too. Nice. All right. So dual-ended brush is our first item. And then let's see. This is by Pure. This is fully charged mascara. All right. And I love trial size mascaras or trial size any type of makeup, because they're so handy just to throw in a makeup bag and take with when you travel. That way you don't have to bring your whole big palettes and stuff. I just love products in mini sizes that work excellent for travel. All right, and something's peeking out here. Let's check it out. Ooh, what is this? Okay, gotta rip into this. Okay, and this is PACIFICA Beach Crystals Natural Mineral Eyeshadows. Oh, okay. So this is a nice eyeshadow palette. I can't get it out. Oh, they always tape that there. Hold on one second.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just going to rip this. Because this is just upsetting. Like, really? Are you afraid somebody's going to... Oh my gosh. Alright. Well, that was a chore. Oh my gosh. And then they seal that. Oh my laptop. It's like more secure than Fort Knox. I just want to see you. Are you serious? Why are you not opening? Oh my god, because you even got it on the freaking side. This thing, packaging, wow. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This is just upsetting me so much. It's like by the time you get into this, you don't even want it anymore. Ow!
Oh, dun dun dun! Finally. Wow, ho ho ho. Oh, these are really pretty colors though. That would be really pretty for travel. Nice. Little, oh, I just scratched it. Oh. I like this purple. That is pretty. Okay, these colors are interesting. I'm excited about that. A little sad. Okay, neat. Another nice travel thing. Huh. How long it took to get the stuff out. And then here is the card for this month. Unzipped. So it's just, yeah, there's a card. Okay, so is that it? That's all that was in there? Oh, no, there's something else. Woo! Okay, and this is TRÈSTIQUE. And this, ooh, This is, let's see, what are you? This is a mini eye pencil. So this is like for eyeliner. That's really pretty, and it's just a really deep dark brown. Awesome. So all this travel stuff. So let's recap what was in my February glam bag. So I got a mask. Super excited to give that a try on just a lazy Sunday. And then a fully charged mascara by Pure. Love this. Cannot wait to use that for travel. Another cute little mini size is this TRÈSTIQUE. I think that's how you say it. TRÈSTIQUE eyeliner in a really nice brown color. Okay, and this double-ended brush. I am so excited for this. This is going to be interesting to use, and I can't wait. This also good for travel, dual-ended. Okay, and then the product that gave me so much trouble. Oh, and continues to, is the PACIFICA eyeshadow palette. This is really pretty, and too, I think this is going to be a great, nice sized palette for traveling. So yeah, very cool. So those were my IPSY products that I got in my February glam bag. I will be back at the end of the month to tell you guys my thoughts on the products that were included, and leave any comments and suggestions below, and I'll see you in the next one.